Welcome back to Max HP. Today I'm here with Sandeep and we are checking out his 2026 Ford Raptor R. All right, welcome to the channel, Sandeep.
Hey, thank you for having me.
Yeah, of course. Tell me a little bit about the Raptor R.
All right, this is my 2026 Raptor R. Just got it a few weeks ago. Ordered it, waited about a year. I got it in Avalanche, one of my favorite Ford colors.
Sweet. For those that are maybe thinking about getting the Raptor R, can you talk about the spec that you ordered this in and what you like about it so far?
These come pretty loaded, so I got it in Avalanche, Pano, bed liner, and I think those are the only options that you can even get. So
okay.
The best daily you can get.
Yeah,
100%.
Pretty fun to drive.
So
now,
fun.
As far as the engine in this and transmission, what are we looking at with those?
So we're looking at a 5.2 supercharged V8, like the GT500,
okay.
10-speed transmission, 720 horsepower, and 645 torque stock.
Okay, that's stock. And
that's
you've already
stock.
Done some stuff.
Yeah,
so
we have.
What's it looking like now? You haven't even had it very long.
No.
You've already done some stuff.
At about 300, I did a AFE carbon fiber cold air intake.
Okay.
We did a resonator delete with some 5-inch tips, and then a 93 tune.
Oh, I love that.
Because why keep it stock?
No, why? Exactly. You gotta have fun with it.
100%.
So after those mods have been done, what are you thinking it's at power-wise?
So the tune alone picks up about 100 wheel.
Okay.
Crank is probably at around 840, 830, 840, which is pretty crazy just for a tune and,
yeah, no kidding.
and an intake, so. Yep.
No kidding, that's crazy.
Yep.
Did the sound change a lot after you did the exhaust?
Oh, it's so much nicer. It screams now. Now it sounds like the GT500. Before they kind of, muted it. And with the intake, now you can actually hear the supercharger whine, which you couldn't hear at all, stock. Okay. There was no whine, so.
Oh, you definitely need to hear the whine.
You need to hear the supercharger whine.
You do.
So, yep.
Okay, it looks pretty aggressive. Can we walk up to the wheels?
Yep.
Tell me about those, what you got going on for your setup?
I hate the stock. It comes with like the beadlock capable wheels with the ring on them, and they're like 40 pounds a piece. So these I switched out to within the first week of having it. So these are 17x9 fuel spurs.
Okay.
-12 offset, and they weigh about 26 pounds a piece. So I saved 14 pounds per wheel.
Whoa.
In rotational weight. I think that also makes a big difference in the way it feels, and it handles better, gets off the line, looks way better.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh, they look sweet.
Yep.
Very aggressive. The offset, it changes the looks a lot.
100%.
As far as the features that you have in this truck, so far I know you've only owned it like a month or two. What do you like about the features in this, and is there anything you don't like you'd want to change?
The only feature I use probably is blind spot.
Okay.
And I think that's it, really. Other than that, I just let it rip.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's fair. Yeah, you want to show us the heart of the vehicle, what's going on under the hood? So it's a GT500 engine?
It is. So same engine, same everything, except the transmission. So this is not a dual clutch, it's just a 10-speed.
Okay.
Beefed up.
Pretty smooth. Are you
super
a fan
smooth.
of the transmission, the 10-speed?
I am, especially after the tune. It shifts perfect. Like, it's always in the right gear, and it's got like all the modes, right? So you can put the exhaust in quiet, truck in normal, and it's like the best quiet daily you can ever imagine.
Really?
You put it in a sport and the Baja exhaust, and you're waking everybody up.
It goes crazy.
Oh, it goes crazy. Like, the transmission is always ready to go. It's way louder. Like, the quiet to Baja, the valves are insane.
That's awesome.
Yep.
That's perfect then.
Oh, it's perfect.
You take it easy and then you can get
100%. Yep. So if you're leaving for work in the morning, quiet mode, and then let her eat.
That's amazing.
Yep.
So as far as that tune, can we go into details like how you tuned that? It's so new, 2026.
So I got this little device from Goose Tuned, which he's like a legend in the Raptor game.
Okay.
He actually has a Raptor R himself. So a lot of R&D work, and we just sent files back and forth 3 times. And custom tuned it. He logged everything and set everything up for the intake, the resonator delete, a true custom tune.
That's sweet.
Yep, that was 3 data logs.
So pretty reliable. Didn't like mess anything up. It's just
heck, it just drives so much better. Like,
can we talk about the interior a little bit?
Oh yeah, so these are Recaro seats that all the Raptor Rs come with, and they're so comfortable, suede with the orange accents. For the 2024 redesign, you see they put the little V8 into the armrest.
Oh yeah.
Yep. So that's pretty cool. Got the R on the wheel.
Okay.
Super comfortable. Sound system, so for 2024, they upgraded the sound system. It finally sounds good. The back seat is huge. You can fit all the kids and the pups back there. Perfect family truck.
Is it all the time all-wheel drive, or you can put it in like four
So
high,
no, you
four
can
low?
do two-wheel drive, which see, another reason this over the TRX all day. You can put this in a two-wheel drive, which is
Okay.
so fun. The TRX
Yeah.
is four-wheel drive all the time.
Really? So you can put it in
You can put it in rear wheel,
and
and
you can just
oh,
like burn them up then?
Burn them up.
No way.
You can do nice smoky burnouts.
Nice.
You can do 4 high or 4 auto. I'll leave it in auto a lot of the times, just because traction, obviously.
Yeah, yeah.
But
right.
yeah, you can put it in two-wheel drive and have some fun.
No way.
Yep.
That's
So
sweet.
That's pretty fun.
And I know I've sat in it already a little bit, and I noticed how comfortable it was. It's
Super
got,
comfortable.
I noticed heated seats, cooled seats.
Cool seats. We got a heated steering wheel, heated rear seats.
Really?
Yep. It's got all the luxury goodies in an off-road truck.
That is sweet.
Yep. I did put on these overlays as well. You can do them in any color, but obviously paint match with the Avalanche makes them stand out, because otherwise you can't really see the Ford outline at all.
Right.
Unless you're up close. So
Yeah.
I got that on the tailgate and the grill.
That looks good.
Yeah, it really pops.
It looks good. It looks factory. It looks
Yep.
so good.
It does. And then the tips obviously are not stock. These are massive 5-inch tips.
They look awesome.
Yep. So the resonator used to be right here, big old, you can see the cut.
Okay.
So even the tips were resonated.
Really?
Yeah, so there was a bunch of baffles inside the tips, and it really muted this. I mean, it sounded like just a normal V8.
No way.
But now so tips are non-resonated and resonators are gone. So,
Wow.
and I can still use my modes, so I can still do quiet and Baja and all that.
That's awesome.
Yep.
Now it's a beast.
Now it's a beast.
So you might have to think on this one, but
Yep.
if you could change something, if you would want Ford to do something different with this truck, or if you just want to make soon-to-be buyers aware of something, what would that be?
It's a good truck.
Yeah, not too much.
Not too much.
You just think Ford should make it whine a little more from the
I
factory?
just whine a little more, that's it. Maybe use this intake
Yeah,
and just whine a little more.
that's sweet.
Yep.
So compared to other trucks you've owned,
Yes.
how does this line up?
So I've had a bunch of TRXs. I got a TRX when they first came out, and I've had like 5, I think, over time, and it's an amazing truck. The supercharger whine that Dodge is known for is the best, obviously. That's the only thing I would do to this compared to TRX is have better blower whine, which we fixed ourselves anyways, but
Sure.
the TRX obviously though rides rougher, is way heavier, because this is obviously still aluminum.
Yeah.
The TRX comes with 35-inch tire stock. This baby 37-inch.
Wow.
Better travel, obviously.
That's crazy.
There's a reason this is obviously winning all the trophies. Really feels like a sports car.
That's awesome.
Yep.
I'm excited to see how it feels.
Yes, let's go. You
All
want to
right,
drive it
sweet.
first?
You can drive it.
You want me to drive it first?
Yeah.
All right, then we'll switch.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do some revs
Yep.
with like quiet mode first.
Yep, let's start up. So right now it's in quiet. We
Okay.
can barely hear it.
Okay. Barely hear it.
What?
Now this is normal.
Okay. Oh, that was quiet. This is normal.
Yeah, boy.
The idle sounds a lot different.
So now we're in Baja mode, the fun mode.
Okay.
Now the valves are open.
Okay, Baja mode. That's awesome. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, that's not quiet by any means. All right, we got the 2026 Ford Raptor R. He's gonna do a launch for us. Let's see what it does. That was the craziest burnout I've ever seen, I think, because it's such a huge truck.
I know, and it was right away it started smoking.
Oh,
Usually
right
it takes
away.
a second.
Right
I was like,
away.
oh shit.
There was so much tire
There was
smoke,
so
you
much
couldn't
tire
see
smoke.
anything.
Oh no, this guy doesn't want to stop.
That's crazy.
It feels so good. Here we go.
Holy crap. Oh my gosh.
And you know, we're coming up to a turn and it's still not like, it's fine. Like, we'll take it. It's all good.
Holy crap.
We'll even. So this is from a 30 roll. It just.
Oh.
it just goes.
Oh my
It doesn't stop
gosh.
pulling.
Holy crap, it doesn't.
It does not stop pulling.
It keeps going.
No, just like the GT500 motor, it makes its power up top.
Oh my god.
So with the tune, now our red line is 7,500. It makes power all the way up to 7,500.
That it changed the red line?
Yep,
Or
it
the
did.
tune
So
was lower?
yeah, it was 7,000.
Oh no way.
So now we're shifting at, at 7,500, which is what even a first gear roll it hits in this car too.
Oh my
So
god.
let's go. All right, so I'm just gonna hit it off idle.
Holy crap.
All right. First gear hit from about 18.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
It's insane.
What the heck? No way.
And it handles.
Holy.
It's insane.
What the heck is this
I
thing?
know it doesn't make sense.